So it's really good that we keep coming to these events. You saw us at the LAA rally, we've done Compton Abbas. They really get us into the community, enable us to talk to people. We've had commercial users, we've had recreational users, we're able to talk to the other suppliers. It's really important we do these things to get the safety message across. So 2019 is going to be a really important year for us. We have drone registration coming in November. Look out for a lot more information on that coming up. We want to be out and about more. We're talking to NATS again at doing some more events at airfields, potentially in Scotland, so look out for that one north of the border. More to come.
So as NATS, we work very closely with the CAA in many different areas of aviation, and for us it's about supporting the Drone Safe Initiative and the Drone Code, and basically educating as many people, hobbyists and commercial operators, on some of the rules and regulations and the changes that are going to be coming over the next few years. So the Gatwick drone incident essentially highlights how irresponsible drone use or not giving full consideration to other airspace users can impact in aviation. So that video is quite good in highlighting the fact that even a hobbyist might not be aware of some of the rules that are now in place that affect them. Our message today essentially is to promote that education, work with the hobbyists, work with commercial operators and increase the awareness of aviation.
So now when we go to events, we really try to have our new drone unit, our UAS unit team here as well, so they can talk really in detail to the PFCO holders, the NQEs, anybody in the commercial world is around. The new drone unit's been set up with ops people and policy people, some of the inspection people, so it's a really defined, complete unit now, giving a really good service to the community.